Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today we are going to make a 3D box. We're going to draw it on here with Skittles. Okay, let's go. Okay. So to make your 3D box, you want to actually start off by making a box. Now you can make this box by using 6 Skittles. It doesn't matter what color you pick as long as the ball line is straight. Now if you want to use a good trick that my school teacher taught me, is you can actually put a ruler where you are putting your Skittles and then they will go straight. So that's 1 2 3 4 5, one more, 6. So you have 6 Skittles, and then you want to do it again. So we have 1 2 4 5 and 6. Okay, so now again, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Perfect. And then 1 2 3 4 and then 5 6. Perfect. So just make sure it's straight. And now for the 3D effect, we want to add, you see here, you pick the middle. So for us it's going to be right here, and we want to add another 2 of this and then 2 here. So make sure they fit, and then 2 down, make sure that it fits. So you could add another 3 down so you get the full 6 again. So 2 3 4 5 6, and one more, and then we want to complete the line again to make this 3D box. Here we go. And now what we have to do is connect these lines. It might be good to use a different color just so you can see the connected lines, and be careful not to mess up. Here we are, and then we will connect these lines again. So here and then here. As you can see, your 3D box is taking shape. And then lastly, you want to connect these lines here. So just be a little careful at this stage. If it just messes up, then you can tidy it up again. And then lastly, we want to connect the line from the top, as you can see here. So there you go, guys. As you can see, this is how you make a 3D box. As you can see, if you take your time and make sure the lines are straight, and your 3D box will look a lot more nicer. But this is how you try and make a 3D box. Try and do your designs, see what designs you can come up with. And as always, guys, if you like what you see, like the video. Oops a daisy, make sure you subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you on another Skittle making video. Okay guys, let's go.